Hello.
Right.
May I know your name?
Myself Nutan Sabe.
Okay.
And
where do you stay, ma'am?
I stay in Kanjurmarg, which is in Gundecha.
Okay. And what is the age of your child?
It is 2.5.
Okay. So what kind of play school were you looking out for your child?
We were looking out basically as it will be as competitive like all the other play schools will be. More activity based rather than just curriculum wise only studying. We are more concentrating on activity based school, which at this age I think it is more necessary for the children. They understand more and easily by activity, by doing more of activities.
We have twins, so and we had a different challenge, of bringing up the kids. They play with each other a lot, but we wanted a school where they could interact with more kids, and it should be a playful. We have gone through many other play groups because we wanted a place which only is more focused on activity based and the environment of adequate place. It should be close to our residents, and also there should be adequate teachers to take care. Special attention is required at these schools. Some of the events which the school committed for the kids, which will go through. Some of the events we already attended. I have seen the events which grandparents events,
Nana Nani Day. There was Holi celebrations. Many other all the festivals have been celebrated here. So children remember it very easily. If we celebrate along with all other kids, they remember very easily. That's the reason we found it very good there.
Okay.
In fact, some of the things like kids making small kites, small things which they bring home. Some of the craft work which they do, which they get home. It really makes us very happy. So I think these some of the things which we couldn't have done at home so easily for kids. We have twins, so they is 2 years old, and kids with 2 years old and doing such things is really appreciable.
Okay.
And I think at our age we did not do it. So we something our kids have done a good achievement.
So what were the other options that you considered before finalizing on Happy Minds?
We went to
multiple places like Kids and many others. Tree House.
Okay.
We went to Euro Kids and Tree House and
many others.
Okay, so
premises wise we found it with this very well. Others were also good enough, but it wasn't to old premises where accessibility was not so good. So and it was a little bit far off from our place. So we were more concentrating on nearby schools. So
I think one plus point of this Happy Minds is in the mall. It is a good parking place. It is safe. There is security setup available. There is CCTV cameras available, and it's still being in the mall. It works in an off-peak hours and still have better environment for the kids, to work for. Other play groups compared to were just in some flats. In small
residential flats and all, with very limited play areas and all, and that too affects with the weather. Like if it is a rainy season, then children may not have a play area for that. So we have seen some of those schools also.
And considering this, we have also decided to actually continue with our kids to nursery now. So from playgroup to nursery, we will continue in the same school. That's one of the positive things which we think for us to take that decision was
okay. So out of your personal experience, if you were to just take out two best things of Happy Minds, what would it be?
Curriculum is very good. As I said, activity based and all the poems and all, which my kids keep on murmuring at home also. So that's what I feel it is great. More of activity based, which we were more concentrating on. So we got it here.
I personally felt it very nice when they started saying Jana Gana Mana at the age of 2 years. So that's which was you were amazed.
Whole song, whole song they sing.
Okay.
And they understand that we have to stand up for them.
Right.
That is very great what we feel.
Okay. And as far as the place is concerned, do you feel that there is any area of improvement? Any?
Can keep more of play area, still more.
Okay.
They have better, but can improve on that.
Okay.
And little bit more timing on play area also.
Okay.
Because kids will play together more.
Mhm.
And then that's the reason.
Okay.
That would be one more suggestion.
Okay. And if you were to recommend Happy Minds to some other parents, on a scale of 5, how would you rate it? 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest?
Rated 4.
4 out of 5?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.